A recent study suggested that seniors, elders, are left out of clinical trials, research trials for new drugs and treatments and things like that, which is kind of disturbing. 50% of the studies did not include seniors. And the other 50% that did excluded seniors who were frail or who suffered from cognitive problems. Now, the point of the study was, how can doctors reliably apply research study findings to the care of their elder patients? Obviously, it will be hard to, because elder patients are often not studied. So part 2 of this study suggested that we need to lobby the National Institutes of Health and the FDA for policy changes to include more elders in these research studies. So obviously that's something that from an advocacy and legislative standpoint people can get involved in. But what's also disturbing is there's been some clinical reports as well about physicians treating elders with less aggressive tactics, I guess, than they would with their younger patients. Kind of the unsaid thing about that is that, well, they're old, so therefore, well, you can fill in the blanks from there. Of course, there's also a fine line between over-aggressive treatment at the end of life, which often occurs and actually takes up the majority of healthcare resources, when really hospice and palliative care in many cases would be better served for the patient. So there is a line there that is sometimes crossed to the excess, but on the other hand, we could be helping seniors lead a better quality of life if we included more in these research studies. Thanks.